Are you tired of the inefficiencies and communication bottlenecks in managing grievances within your institution? Do you struggle with the lack of traceability and data driven insights when it comes to resolving issues for your stakeholders? Imagine a world where grievances are resolved seamlessly, communication flows effortlessly, and decisions are backed by insightful data. Zoho Desk brings this vision to life by offering a comprehensive solution tailor-made exclusively for education sector. In educational institutions, compliance is paramount, and it is crucial for both grievance raisers and resolution teams. Grievance raisers may sometimes act irresponsibly, bypassing the designation system, providing false information, or refusing proposed solutions. They may even claim loss of communication via excuses such as a loss of emails, etc. Hence, traceability and tracking is at most importance for educational institutions. This is where Zoho Desk auditable system comes into play, meticulously tracking every user action within the system. It captures all communication with the grievance raiser, allowing support agents to communicate internally with privacy and providing the ticket as time-tracked document that can be shared with the user, ensuring transparent and documented communication. This method not only facilitates faster and more effective issue resolution but also ensures fairness for all stakeholders involved. Additionally, it empowers educational institutions to safeguard themselves and take appropriate action when necessary. Let's dive into a video tutorial illustrating how Zoho Desk is beneficial for support agents in grievance redressal system.
Hello everyone. Now, how to create the new agent in Zoho Desk. First, go to Setup. There, you find the option User and Control. There you need to select Agents. Then click on New Agent. Choose the user. I am choosing the user as from. Select the create new user. Give the first name as Ram. If you have last name, give it. Next we need to give email address. If you have the any customer default email address, you need to provide it. So you can leave it. So next you need to provide the password. If you want to create password, you can create it or you can generate the password. After that, we need to give the employment ID. If you have it, you can give it. Otherwise, you can leave it. And next, we need to provide the designation. Here I am providing the designations manager. If you want any other thing, you can provide. Hello everyone. Now we need to create the layout and fields for this department. So for that, we need to go to Setup. Here we have customization. There we have layout and fields. This is the default layout we got. So we need to customize it. Click on it. Yeah, this is the default layout we got it. According to our requirements, we need to modify it. First, we need to add one section, that is product information. Product information. Now we need to customize it. First, the ticket information. We need to move some things. So ticket information, we need the here we need the due date. The due date is here, so we need to move to here. And also we need the priority, so we need to move this. And ticket owner also, this product name should come under product information. This skills under goes to additional information. So under product information we also need some of the things like solutions. So go to the unused fields. Here we need to select. It is already there, so we need to use it. So we need solutions. So we need to drag and drop here product information. And also we need the product category. Yeah, this is also there. So we need to drag and drop here. And then we need the service type also. So take it here. And also another thing, we need technology and function. So these are also moved to here. In additional information, just leave it. So by clicking on save and close, we can create the new layer. And also before that, what are the mandatory we want? So here we want the mandatory as due date. So click on it, click on mark as required. So it is mandatory. So here also we need to select the mandatory thing. And this is also mandatory. And the priority is also mandatory field. So you can select it, and product name is also mandatory. So click on mark as required. Here product category also, and service type. Service type is also mandatory. After that, to enter the values in these fields, so click on setting symbol. Here we have the edit properties. There you need to add the values, like according to your requirements, you need to add the values. So by clicking plus icon, you have the more field. So here we need to add. After that, you can click on the update. So if you don't want, you can remove it. So I can click on update. So the value is updated to solution. Let's check it. Click on setup, edit properties. Yeah, it has the value. So this is applies to same thing. Whenever you want values to product name, you can click on setting and add it. And for product category, you can edit the properties. There you can add the value. So this is applies to all the things. Finally, you can click on save and close. By click on save and close, the layout will be created. For testing purpose, so we need to open it, just see it whether the layout is created. Yeah, this is our layout, it is created. Thank you. Hello everyone. Next we need to create the assessment rules for this department. Click on setup, under automation, click on assessment rules. To create new assessment rule, click on new direct assessment rule, give the rule name. For example, any ticket is coming here, we need to assign to some other person. Give the name as ticket assessment. Click on active, and whenever we need to execute the rule, you can click it. I want whenever the ticket is created, this rule need to execute. Click on add target. Here we need to select it. We need to select the criteria. For example, first we need to select the ticket. Whenever the ticket coming to any department, yeah, click on continue, or you can select the any department. Yeah, I selected the any department. Here I need to select the criteria. So you can select the criteria according to a requirement. I selected the criteria as to address. Whenever the to address means we need to give our support email address. This is our support email address. Whenever ticket is coming from this to address, we need to move this ticket to Abhyaz support. There you need to assign agents like Ramyan. So click on save. Yeah, this is the simple assessment rule we created. Thank you. Hello everyone. Next we need to create teams. How to create teams for newly created departments. Go to setup under user and control, click on teams. Yeah, to create new team, click on new team. Here if you have any logo for this team, you can upload it. Otherwise you can leave it. Team name. Here we give the team name as support. If we have the description, you can give the description. Solve the queries. Here we need to add the agent. What are the agents we need put on this team? We can add it. How many number of persons you want? Yeah, I have the 2 members, so I click on save. So the team will be added. The team name is support. So this is the simple way we can create the teams for every department. Thank you. Hello everyone. Next we need to create the workflow for this department. Go to setup. Under setup there is automation. Under automation the workflows. Click on it. To create the new workflow, you can click on create rule. Give the rule name as restrict to close the ticket. For example, whenever all the mandatory fields are written the data, then only the ticket will be closed. If you have any description, you can add it. Click on next. There you can select the execute the rule. When this rule need to execute. I need when the ticket is created, and also one field update, that is status. Whenever these two are there, then this rule need to trigger. Then click on next. Here we need to select the criteria. Here we need the product name. Whenever the product name is there, is not there, is empty, and also technology or function, or product category. We need to select product category. Whenever it is empty, we need to select the or rule. And finally the status. Status is closed. So whenever these two fields are in empty state, we don't want to close the ticket. So we need to finally we need to put a status is closed. Click on next. Here we need select the actions. Actions like field update. Click on new. Give the assessment rule as reopen. Whenever these two fields are empty, we need to reopen this ticket. We can select the ticket field as status. Status is open. Click on save. Click on save. To see how this rule works, go to tickets. Yeah, whatever the ticket we got, open it. For example, if you want to close the ticket, click on close. Yeah, here the workflow, whatever we created the workflow rule, it won't close the ticket. So the status will be on open state. Whenever we fill all these mandatory details, then only the ticket will be closed. For example, if we enter all the details, click on edit ticket. After, we need to see what are the mandatory fields, what is the data, we need to enter the data. So here all the mandatory fields are entered the data. After that, we need to select the due date, set it, and status is open. We need to select the priority as medium and the solutions as talent and product category as cloud ERP and service name as inquiry and certificate, and select the technology as IT system. Whatever you have, you need to select according to our requirement, or based on the ticket, we need to select this option. So we need to leave all this, click on save. After that, we need to click on close ticket. Yeah, the ticket has been closed. So the workflow is work. Whenever we enter the data in the mandatory field, then only the ticket will be closed. In this way, the workflow will be worked. Thank you. Hello everyone, let's see how to create round robin rules. Why we use the round robin rules? Whenever any ticket will come, it will need to automatically assign to some other person. Here you see that it will not assign to any other person. By using the round robin rule, we can assign this ticket to automatically. How to create means, go to setup, search round robin, open it. There you need to create the new round robin. Before that, you can create this. You can click on the new round robin assessment. Click on it. Here we can give the ticket assessment. The ticket need to assessment. When this rule need to execute means, whenever a ticket create, it need to execute. Click on add target. That means here we need to select the criteria. Whenever the two address is, this is the two, whenever the ticket is coming from this two address, we need to assign this ticket. Here round robin time, here you can select according to our requirement. Here I select the load based assessment, and you can also select the sequential or skill based. Here I select the load based. Here whom need to assign, agents or team. Here I am selecting the team. If you have the agents, you can select the agent and add the agents. Click on all agents or add the agent. So I am using the team. Click on team. Here you need to select the team. Yeah, I need to select my team is support team. Click on save. By saving this, the new round robin rule will be created. After that, we need to click on these three dots. Open it. Include offline agent. We need to on, because of that, whenever the agents are also in offline state, the ticket will be automatically assigned. Next thing is threshold per agent. Here you need to select the maximum threshold. That means 200. Yeah, assign backlog is in good state and backlog limit also 5. If you want more, you can select it. So I can leave it as default. So assign backlog based on. Here you can mention the, according to your need, you can mention I am using the created time. Yeah, after that, incoming ticket should be assigned to agents. So I need to, whenever any ticket will come, I need to assign the ticket. So this is the criteria we need to set up. First, we need to select the offline agent and threshold limit at 200 and backlog limit as 5, or you can select anything. Here we use the created time, and finally we select the option assign to agent. Click on apply. So now the round robin rule will be created. So to test it, we need to go to Gmail box, click on one email, send one email to careers@abhyaz.com. So here we send the mail as test. The mail is sent. Just wait, it will receive the ticket. Just refresh it. Yeah, the new ticket is created and it assigned to Ramya. There we added the support team. It will assign to support team. In the support team, it assigned to Ramya. Previously, it is not assigned to any member. But by using the round robin tool, we assign the ticket to some other team. In the team, we assign to some team member. So this is the use of round robin rule. Thank you.
I hope you found the video insightful. Along with this course, there is a lot more you can expect from us. In addition to this course, we provide comprehensive support for implementing the tool and complete onboarding and evaluation training courses on how it works. In addition, you can hire individuals or teams to assist you with bit by bit end-to-end implementation of the process. Furthermore, we will be releasing a new video every Thursday on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our channel for knowing more. Thank you.